Russia is home to several secret cities, also known as closed cities, that are restricted to entry by unauthorized individuals. These cities were established during the Cold War for strategic purposes, and remain off-limits to the public, due to their sensitive military or research activities. Some well-known secret cities in Russia include Zheleznogorsk, Sarov, and Ozersk. These cities are shrouded in mystery and intrigue, with very little information available to the outside world. Despite their secrecy, these cities play a crucial role in Russia's defense and security infrastructure. Located in the heart of Siberia, Zheleznogorsk is home to a top-secret nuclear facility, where plutonium is produced for Russia's arsenal of nuclear warheads. The city is surrounded by a heavily guarded perimeter, making it virtually impossible for outsiders to gain access. Sarov, another closed city, houses a premier nuclear research laboratory where groundbreaking experiments are conducted. The city of Ozersk, formerly known as Chelyabinsk 65, is the site of the Mayak Production Association, which reprocesses spent nuclear fuel. These secret cities are vital to Russia's national security and continue to operate in utmost secrecy.